don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans, Wetu TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 2, Angola 1. I'm joined by Mr. Massive.
The one and only, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Steve Brawak.
Dinsa.
It was a very nice game.
Yeah, definitely.
A very entertaining game, Brawak.
Oh,
na Brawak. All massive.
Hey, man.
Busy, Brawak.
Yeah.
So Steve go game in Brawak.
Bala.
It was very nice, eh? Did you saw Mbombo Galazi?
Mbombo Galazi.
Do you know Mbombo Galazi?
Kimango.
My brother, that guy is very dangerous, eh?
Who's that? Mbombo Galazi.
Mbombo Galazi.
Timeno Moziba. Kimango.
Kimbogazi.
Oh, TLB.
TLB.
Somebody told me.
Damano betile rocket ding Brawaka. Ke celebrate ile before betapa.
Hey.
Unfortunately, ayakora, but the boys played well, Steve.
Yes.
Ngasba mention kaofela ga bona, but bafetu. Today I saw, man, Madala was selected talent with massive. Eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Kiboni Yaya.
Yeah, tall, yeah.
That guy today replaced Mokwena completely.
Yes.
Yeah, he was the one who was holding that game, my brother.
Mbeng.
Now, according to me,
yes.
I can select him as man of the match.
He was the best player.
That guy played well, bro.
Yeah.
That one played well. Exalevale a policy.
Yes.
Moremile and outside the Brawaga change a game.
Yes.
We need some people like that.
Yeah,
I always say, in a team, you need a super sub. You need someone who can come in and change the game.
Yes.
So the guys really played well, Brawaga. But I was so disappointed with VAR.
VAR decision nothing.
That decision ya offside. Yes, it was offside.
Yeah.
But some other decisions, they were going one-sided. We had a clear penalty Kamuda.
Yes.
But
yeah,
the referee didn't even wanna
check,
entertain it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think those are one of the things that you need to prove people wrong.
Yeah.
If you are you scored with an offside,
yes,
penalty,
yeah,
a clear penalty, go and score clearly so.
Yeah.
Ka goal lo reng a inyaki VAR a inyaki
anyone
born a debate just hit the net.
Yeah.
Foster was not really in the game, Mara. He proved us something. That is a rocket. So I think Bafana this is the pave a way.
Yeah,
we go World Cup.
Yes. But
if really they need to pave this way.
Yeah.
Steve bona sitla ba bola AFCON, bro. Yeah, but we are happy, Steve. We feel an early Christmas present.
Yes.
We will celebrate until Friday. We will win a game.
Yeah.
So perfect. I can go blow the bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. No, I'm proud of this team.
Yeah.
Justin Orsalemo breaking.
Yeah.
We'll see them get January, but Bafana is making us proud.
Sure.
I think going forward, they just need to score more goals, Steve, because we win a game, you're gonna score one goal, and the other team scores, and then you score like 2-1, 1-0.
Yeah.
It's very tough.
True.
Yeah, because that game you become under pressure.
Yes.
So you need to score goals and relax.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait for them to come to you.
Sure.
Why wanna brag? So, but I give him a chance.
Thank you, Chamama. Who's the man of the magic? Yeah.
Aye. That gentleman, Sugar Agampa, that T-shirt. Yeah, Perisa 2010. It's a fit Alabama. Okay,
Thank you, Massive.